Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Team Smart Move from IIT Guwahati and I am Ankit Khemka. I'll be presenting the case study today. So the problem statement is we have to suggest a strategy so that we can acquire the database of billboards which are present all over the country, and we have to also suggest a mechanism so that we can update it and refresh it on a regular basis. So this is the solution which we have provided. Our aim is to build a website from where a user can enter all the billboard information which he gets in return for discount coupons. So these are the major steps which are involved. The first is the website development, the business outreach program, the data collection, the publicity campaign, and finally the revenue which we can generate and the future prospects. So let me come to the website development aspect of the project. The website is the key to our success. So we have to make sure that the interface is simple and appealing. So the home page will have several sections. First for the general public, second for the already existing billboard vendors, and third for the future clients. The web page will allow our users to register and then enter billboard information, and in return we will be providing them with reward credit and the credit score, which will be explained later. The key features of the website will have a user tab for user to enter billboard information, the billboard vendors tab for the vendors to update an already existing information or enter a new information, the clients tab for our clients so that we can provide them with outdoor marketing solutions. We will explain the benefits the clients can have if they associate with us. The partners tab for our franchises and small businesses which are associated with us. We will be providing them with appropriate branding through our website. The partners tab for our partners who are associated with us. And finally the city-wise pages which will list all the partners and the small businesses in that city, and will also tell us about the billboard information and the amount of coverage we have had in that city. So the small business outreach program. First, we will prepare a list of small businesses and franchisees from all over the country. We have to make sure that we have representation in every city. Then we will prepare a proposal letter for these small businesses, and then we have to contact these companies and make sure that they partner with us. We have to make sure that we are contacting franchisees from all over the country, as well as we have local businesses in each city. Next comes the most important part, which is the data collection. It has two models, the reward system and the game mechanics. The reward system has three aspects: the reward credit, the credit score, and the pyramid scheme. So every user who enters billboard information would be given a reward credit with which he can buy coupons of various denominations. The credit score defines the status of the user and will help him in winning the monthly and the bumper prize. And the pyramid scheme works on the model that each user can refer his friends who can come and join the website and help in billboard data updation. These users will come in below the main user in the pyramid, and so the data entered by these users will benefit them as well as those who are above them in the pyramid. The influencer status is decided by the credit score. So the credit score tells how well a person is performing, and this will help him in winning the prizes. The progression dynamics is basically a progression bar which will tell how much information a user has entered. So it will motivate him to make sure that he enters all the information. And the appointment dynamics works with the system of bonuses. So every time a user enters information, he will be given a timeline so that the sooner he enters the complete information, the more bonus points he gets. So this is the basic framework. The user logs in, enters billboard information, he will get bonuses. Then the credit amount can be used to buy coupons, and the credit score will define his credibility. Next we come to the publicity campaign. These are the various tools which we will be using for our publicity. Let me quickly jump to the social media marketing campaign, where we have to make sure that we have a presence on all the social media websites. This is the most effective tool and the most cost-effective tool too when it comes to publicity. So we have to make sure that we have our pages on all the websites. We are joining groups and communities, and we are making our presence felt. Through this, we can recruit a lot of people, a lot of users who can come and update billboard information. This is bound to generate quick results without using too many resources. The other approaches, first is the entrepreneurial development cells, which will help us in reaching colleges all over the country. The college ambassador program, in which the college ambassador publicizes our project in his or her college. The video presentation will help us with viral publicity. Then developing Android, iPhone and Facebook apps will help users to update billboard information on the go. And finally, we will reach out to billboard vendors and we will ask them for their support to update the information already existing and enter new data if available, with valid proof of course. So the result of all this would be a huge database of billboard information, a network of billboard vendors all across the country, and finally the presence of our network in almost every major city in India. and the database will finally help us in providing outdoor marketing solutions to our clients. Through this, we can also generate some sort of revenue through banner ads for our billboard vendors or banner ads for our franchising small businesses in each of the cities we are targeting, and finally city-wise advertisements for ad agencies and vendors. So, I would like to sum this up by highlighting the benefits of the approach we have taken. The approach is really cost effective. We are using a very small team for both publicity, website development and the business outreach program. We can do all of this with a very minimal budget because we are not setting up field offices all across the country and not utilizing any other resource. We can collect exhaustive data through this scheme. The accuracy can be maintained through the valid proof which every user has to give. And finally, the project is scalable. This same approach can be used for data collection in different projects too. So with this, I'll conclude the presentation.